Yo, welcome back to another Forex video for you guys. Of course, it's your boy We're here, and we're here with another Forex video, of course, for you. Alright, so today, basically, I'm gonna just be showing you guys how I analyze my charts, the periods that I trade, and how I analyze my charts and the thought process behind it, right? So it's nothing too fancy, right? It's just showing you how to basically analyze, because I'm getting closer and closer to actually showing you guys like how to place trades in the market and so on. So this is a continuation of this series, right? How to trade Forex, right? When to buy and when to sell, etc. Right? So this video will basically help you guys with all that, right? So first thing, guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel and you're watching right now, make sure you click the subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell, and please follow me on my Instagram at jsway_tv. Right? You guys can message me on my Instagram, ask me any questions, and I'll reply to you there. Also, I started doing mentorships at a very affordable cost. Not as a cheap but affordable cost, right? Because not everybody can afford like certain amount of money, but it's at a relatively affordable cost. So if you guys are interested in mentorships, make sure you follow me on my Instagram, text me on my Instagram. Serious inquiries only, so serious people only, right? And people who are willing to learn, right? So if you're not willing to learn, nobody text me, right? Because I don't want the money, right? Not because me a charge means I need the money. You get me? I say I'm doing this to help you guys as well. So if you guys gonna pay the money and you now push out my effort to learn the Forex, right, then it doesn't make sense. Because my thing is that that is my belief, that nobody can teach you Forex. They can teach you the basics, but if you don't put in the work for yourself, then you won't become profitable. You get me? So if you guys are interested in mentorships, stay tuned, follow me on Instagram, of course, and yeah, leave a like on the video. If you guys do like, share with your friends, make sure you subscribe. We're trying to get this channel to 5K, also trying to get my IG to 5K followers. So yeah, see you guys on the charts. And what I do when I'm analyzing my charts and the thought process behind taking my trades and so on. And I'm just gonna show you how I'm just gonna show you two of the trades that I got last week. Well, I didn't take one of them. I actually missed my entry on one of them, which was GBP USD, I think, and I got an entry on Euro USD, right, around Friday. So trade did not hit take profit. It actually went halfway in take profit, but I ended up closing out early. And yeah, I'm just gonna show you how I analyze. So first thing first, when I'm analyzing the charts, I ensure to check the economic calendar for the week that I'm analyzing for. So this week I will look on the news that is coming up, because these news can affect the market. So it's high volatility news. So I look at the news. I don't really see much to pay attention to, but the newer news for this week, right? Because the United States, sorry, not the United States, Europe and the Great Britain, they're having some form of Brexit speech or debate or whatever it is. So you will find that I think the Great Britain is trying to withdraw from the Europe economy. So I mean, you will definitely see some form of reaction to the Euro peers and the GBP peers, of course. So I'm gonna mostly be paying attention to the Euro news, and yeah, hopefully there is nothing too crazy that happens in the market. And for this week, my eyes will mostly be on the Euro USD pair, because there is a lot of things going on in the United States and also in the Europe. So I don't know which one of these currency pairs will get stronger, but hopefully we'll just focus on technical analysis, and that we will be able to actually see where the market is going. So you have a lot of president's speech for the Europe currency. For GBP though, I don't really see any major news, but retail sales and CPI, right? And for the United States US dollar,
Just some small news, right? So nothing major on the news side and the fundamental side. So we'll move on to the technical side of it. Alright, so this is the US dollar index, of course, and obviously this is the strength of the US dollar, basically. So if the US dollar is going down, this is going up. If this is going down, the US dollar is going up. Alright, so for last week, as you can see, the market pushes down into this strong support and then pushes up, alright, from some rejection, pullback from a higher low, higher high, higher low, right? But as you can see, price was stepping down, right? Price failed to form a higher high on multiple occasions here and here. So price was stepping down. It was like a step going down. So this is a pattern to show you that yeah, the market is basically losing strength and buying, right? And potentially will go down. Right, so it break the previous higher low, right, and I think we got some of our trade around this region and the US dollar, because as I said, if this is going down, the US dollar is going up, so we got a buy on the US dollar, which I'm going to show you here. Alright, by the way guys, for this indicator, don't pay it any mind. I don't use indicator to trade. This is just a what you call a moving average. It's something that I'm currently testing right now. Hold on, I'm gonna get the charger. Right, guys, so yeah, sorry for the noise in the background. Currently I don't have a good microphone, but I will get one soon so I can get better audio for my videos. Right? So yeah, as I was saying, I don't use indicators. This is the moving average. Right? I don't really classify it as an indicator. Something that I'm currently testing, and it can help you to get better entries in the market, right? So yeah, as I was saying, Euro USD, the index dollar was going down, so I was expecting the Euro USD to go up, right? So I got a trade in around this region here, right? In around this consolidation right here, right? Because price was stepping down. No, actually, first thing, I got a sell in around this region because I saw that price was stepping down. Price made this low and price wasn't breaking here, and then price made this little doji, right? So I got a sell right here, and I think I got 60 pips. Gonna sell like right here, right? But my entries was on the lower time frame for sure. It was a tight stop loss, I believe, somewhere around there, and I actually targeted this low, right? And price smash take profit, right? But guess what? I ended up closing the trade because the market was super slow, right? So I ended up closing out early when I saw some form of retracement. I think it was around this region. I saw the retracement. Sorry, let me see. I think it was here. I saw the retracement and I ended up closing here. But I knew price was going to drop to this year, but I just didn't want to be in the trading no longer because the market was slow, right? Because as I said, well, as you guys may know, some of you guys may know, I think it was Canadian and the US holiday sometime last week, so the market was really slow, right? So I did get an entry on that for a sell, and I then got an entry for a buy on Friday, which was around this region, and price actually moved. Got the entry right here. Price actually moved up 30 pips, right? But I ended up closing out early on this as well, guys, right? Because as I said, the market was slow, and as you can see, price is resting at this resistance here right now. So for this upcoming week, I do not trade as the market immediately opens, right? I normally wait on Tuesday before I actually start trading. I give the market time to develop and like time to reset, because when the market opens, it will show you signs that the market is going up. Then, for instance, you got in on an entry here, put your stop loss below this structure, then the market can easily go down, right? So I give the market time to develop and reset. So on Tuesday now, I start analyzing and see where the market is. and start taking my entries, and then for Wednesday I look for my continuations, and for Thursday now I look for like closing out my entries and so on before Friday. Alright, and of course you can get entries on Fridays, but I feel safer not trading on those 2 days. Right, so yeah, that is my basically my thought process on Euro USD. I am expecting price to either react to this level, right? If it breaks this area, we're expecting price to come to this level, right? Because the index is near support. So if price pushes down, reaches the support and finds some form of support in this support area, then we will look for a sign of reversal to continue up into these regions here, right? So if not, and price breaks, we're expecting to fall to this area, which would definitely allow USD to push to this resistance area right here. So that is it. That is my bias on USD. I don't really have a bias. I'm just gonna let the market plays out and actually see what it's gonna do until Tuesday. I see which direction the market is going in, and I look for my entries. So when I'm analyzing, I start from the weekly time frame actually, and look what the market is doing on the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame for USD, you can see a lot of choppiness here, right? You don't see a clear directional bias on the weekly time frame, but because this is a weekly time frame, these are a lot of pips in between. So what I'll do, I just scale them to the lower time frames. Can go on the daily and see it much clearer, which price is just consolidating. But in this consolidation, you have a lot of pips same way, right? So go on the 4-hour time frame, right, and just trade the direction that the market is going in. So if it's going in an uptrend, you trade an uptrend. If you're going down, you trade downtrend, right? You look for sells. If you're going up, you look for buys. Simple as that, right? Until you show signs of reversal, which is double top, miss double top, and you have a lot of reversal patterns. I don't want to get into reversal patterns because those are kind of my strategies, and yeah. So for next one, GBP USD, I will show you my thought process on this one. I'll just analyze these two pairs for you guys because I'm going to show you where I missed my entry last week. So I missed my entry in around this region right here, one lower time frame. Alright, let me show you guys. Alright, so this was my entry that I missed on GBP. I was so pissed off, guys, honestly, because I was watching price farming this counter trend, was pushing up, right, to farm this counter trend. Then price tapped into this perfect retest level right here, and then it automatically fell. But I did not get a reason to sell here, right? Price did not show me any sign of reversal pattern or anything. Then price came back and formed a double top, which was a clear sell pattern, right? So I should have got my entry from in around that level. Stop loss would be above structure, right? So stop loss would be at around 10 pips. Put it at 10 pips. I like to give my stop loss breathing space. So obviously I go for 1 to 3 withdrawal ratio. So my take profit would be 30 pips, right? So take profit, take 30 pips, and see, it would have smashed take profit, right? But knowing me, at times when I'm 100% sure, well, not 100% sure, but when I'm sure about a trade, I normally target the next level, key level, which would be, let me show you, around this level. And price actually came at this level because I actually drew this level right here, and I was saying like, if price then, if this was in theory, if this was a lower high, right, then price is basically going to fall all the way to the next key support, right? And this was the next key support in around this region. As you can see, price fell. So I actually targeted, I was planning to target this low, right? And I would have got a simple, let me see, what is it? So it would be 9.86 withdrawal, right? And this would be 98 pips, right, guys? I call it 100 pips. Right, so you would risk like 10 pips for 100 pips. That would be phenomenal. And you know, GU tends to move very fast and everything. just same as GA. Right, so this basically smashed TP in no time, guys. Right, I was so pissed off. Like when my wake and see this trade, right? Like but it's still up for so long. I watch it for create the counter trend and for break structure, and then my wait was the price pushes down already, and I was like, no, couldn't believe. I was so pissed off, but you know, it's what it is. I also missed the next entry. Well, I deliberately didn't take this entry because price reverse pushes up from a higher low, right, and then continue up, right. I could have got an entry in around this region, but I chose not to because it was on Friday. So I didn't really trust, not really trust it, but I was saying that if I got an entry in around this area, the next target that the next area that I would target would be here, right? And I doubted it that the market would reach this level before the market closed on Friday. And as you can see, the market did not reach a level before it closed on Friday. So it's a lucky thing I didn't enter the trade, but this was like around 60 pips up, I think. So it would be good money. 50 pips, call it 50 pips. It would be good money regardless, right? So for the upcoming week, for the GBP USD, I'm gonna keep a close eye on the GBP peers and also Euro USD, right? And see how I I can get my best entries on these pairs. So I'm either expecting price to reach in this level and react, or price to pull back to this support and then pushes up, right? So we don't have a clear direction bias on the pound as yet, but for sure for the upcoming weeks, for the upcoming week we will see how it plays out on Tuesday. So yeah, guys, these are the pairs that I trade only. 6 pairs. Bitcoin is just Bitcoin, you know. Can trade that on the weekend. I don't trade it on the weekend, but I just analyze. I was just doing some analysis on Bitcoin to see how it moves because I never traded this before. And you know, if you guys like to trade 7 days a week, you can definitely trade Bitcoin on the weekend. But I do not recommend trading 7 days a week, of course. But I know some of you guys love trading and all that. But yeah, for me, these are the only currency pair that I trade. 6 currency pair. This is just the index for the US dollar. And gold. Yeah, gold is a metal, of course. And yeah, I hope you guys do learn something from this video. Let me know if you want to see other videos like these, and I hope you guys definitely see some good profits this week. Remember to be patient, trust the process, right, and just keep going. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video, and of course it's your boy Jay Sway. Peace.